Do what?
We have to be back on the ship by 8 o'clock.
You got me a stone massage?
For Mother's Day.
Yep.
I'm an eavesdropper. Let me see. I do have it available. Probably at 1:30 today, if I was to guess. I'm surrounded. Sorry about that.
Are we about to go to a brothel right now? Josh is like, nope, no incriminating evidence. I know Rodney Thrift will see this. Rodney, if you're watching, we didn't go. Lesson learned, if you want to do an excursion in Alaska, book it ahead of time. They were out of almost everything, but we did find one. We're gonna do a bus tour? Doing a bus tour up to the summit of one of the mountains. So that should be fun.
After we booked the tour, we had about an hour to kill. So we went and looked around the town some, and we stopped at a bakery and got something to eat and something to drink because the tour didn't provide food. We met back up at the little meeting spot across from the museum and headed up and started the tour. We stopped at several places on the way up that you could look out and take really beautiful pictures. And our tour guide was local, so he told us to be on the lookout for wildlife. We saw an actual bear on the side of the mountain, so that was pretty cool. Saw a bunch of waterfalls, and we even stopped at one.
Tastes like water. First stop on the bus tour was actually this lookout point. It looks out over the entire city of Skagway. It's only about 9.5 square miles, and during its peak season in the summer, the city's only comprised of about 1,200 people, and they're all pretty closely knit. It's almost like stepping back in time. Everybody knows each other.
We crossed the border into Canada and got to take this picture by the Alaska sign. We also, on the way back down, we got to go to this graveyard from the gold rush. That was pretty cool to see all of that, and then you got to hike up a little bit to this really awesome waterfall. The tour lasted, I'd say like 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
This is an old cemetery.
And then we came back and did some shopping and went and ate some dinner.
So, what's everybody's thoughts on the $60 bus tour?
The best $60 that I've spent this entire trip.
You gotta do a lot for $60.
I can't believe we saw a bear.
I saw some kind of bird that was
The snow you talking about.
gonna throw a snowball at Emily.
It was a dirty snowball.
I mean, it was basically like 80% dirt, 20% snow. But it's fun though. You come to Skagway, highly recommend for the price. Did you have fun in Skagway?
A lot of fun.
I did too.
Going to the mountain and stopping. It was a good excursion, and it was a good price.
Yeah, this is $60 a piece, plus tax, like 128 or something. Now we're headed back to the ship. Go chill for a little bit. I think this has probably been like the best whale watching experience we've had yet. We're literally just like sitting by the pool on the Lido deck, and homie's over there jumping out the water for us eating fish. Well, it's 11 o'clock at night.
Still daylight. We are on our way to the Tracy Arm Fjord. We'll get there in an hour. We'll be there till midnight tomorrow night. And we've been in Skagway all day. It's been great. I had a lot of fun.
I think Emily's tired. She's done a lot today. She went and got her massage. How was your massage? Yeah, we ate a little bit of dinner. Nothing crazy. Got some sushi. I know I've said it like 30 times, but if you don't come here, you just... words don't do it justice.
And they make it affordable where you can pay payments on the cruise.
It's definitely worth it. Everyone who comes back from Alaska, I feel like, always says, oh, you have to do it, you have to do it, it's really great. You know, it's just like, yeah, okay, whatever, but seriously, just do it. It's amazing. We're probably about to go to sleep because we're tired. All in all, it was a great day, and we'll pick back up tomorrow in Tracy Arm Fjord. Other than that, we're gonna go to bed. Good night. today is Monday?
Monday.
Still having a hard time with the dates. We're supposed to wake up in Tracy Arm Fjord, but we're not. I'm not sure where we're at, but I guess it was too icy and we couldn't get through. So the captain said he's going to take us to some other fjord, and hopefully there's not as much ice. Luckily we didn't have a short excursion or anything planned, so we're just kind of chilling, looking at mountains, doing what we do. We'll see what happens when we get there. I think we're gonna go do the C-Day brunch thing again, get some juice, some eggs Benedict, and then we'll see where we go from there. How was your first bingo experience?
It's like so close to winning. B14.
Could have had a free cruise.
B14 is all I needed.
Gotta make every second count.
Whatever you do, don't fall. Y'all see anything you want to do?
How long of a tour is it?
I don't know. He was just telling people about it.
What's that? We don't want to say
This is a $1 million home, nice landscape yards, beautiful flowers are blooming, and that's Whitman Creek where it goes up to a big lake. And the fish are starting to trickle in about 8 or 10 at a time. But the bears are out there looking for fish, they're hungry. The berries are gone.
If we see a bear, can we pet it?
If you want, we'll put it on YouTube, you know. I'll watch it.
You know, see how much the lumberjack show is? That'd be kind of cool. I think it's only like an hour or something.
The next show is 9:30. We also have another one at 11:15.
Are you ready to get lumberjacked?
Are you? Is the question.
I don't know.
That's assuming that I'm not already lumberjacked.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. Are y'all ready to have some fun today? Yeah! Yeah, that's right. Like I was saying, we like to get loud and rowdy in this show, so we encourage you to be as loud as we possibly can. We also encourage booing and heckling. So, let's do it. Now give me a big old lumberjack. Yo-ho!
It was very funny.
I thought it was funny too.
I thought it. Whenever he fell and busted his bottom,
Yeah.
it looked quite painful in real life.
It hurt me a little bit, it made me jump. I think for the price though, it was really good. It was like $40. I guess this was the red light district.
Came upstream to spawn. I like it.
That's the one right there anyway.
For you?
No. I can see you wearing that. I think we've done about everything though. Kind of hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
You want to just head back to the ship?
Yeah.
There's not a lot to do here. But I did have a good time. That lumberjack show thing was cool.
Yeah. Where they've been so many places, I don't know what you're talking about.
I want to look into doing one of those in the south.
What are you talking about?
What is it called? Not the South Pole.
Antarctica?
Yeah, Antarctica. I want to do an Antarctica cruise.
What they've done.